ladies and gentlemen, I extended my warm welcome to all the dignitaries and dais. Special welcome to the Director of SPA Vijayawada, Professor Dr. Ramesh Srikonda, and Vice President of the Institution of Town Planners India, Anup Srivastava, and General Secretary ITPI Kulasasa, and former Secretary General of ITPI Pradeep Kapoorji, and to all National Council members of ITPI, planners, invitees, faculty of SPA, and to all the student community to the conference. It is my pleasure to be here for today National Conference on Traditional Indian Knowledge Systems for Eco-Sensitive Coastal Settlement Planning, organized by the School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada, in collaboration with Institution of Town Planners, India, and the regional chapter of Andhra Pradesh, ITPI. I congratulate SPA Vijayawada and ITPI for taking up such an important theme for the conference. The theme of the conference is especially important to the Andhra Pradesh, which has the second largest coastal line in the country with a length of 972 kilometers. AP has rich and dense coastal settlement. Coastal Andhra comprises of a total of 13 districts with a population of 34.19 million in coastal area. Several major cities such as Visakhapatnam, Kakinada, Srikakulam, as well as industrial corridors, and Visakhapatnam-Kakinada petrochemical corridor, and important ports such as Visakhapatnam, Kakinada, Machilipatnam, Nakapalli, Krishnapatnam, and Ramapatnam ports are all located on the coastal line, which are major drivers of economic growth for the state. On the other hand, the lengthy coastal line is highly sensitive area which needs to be protected from climate change, natural disaster, and unregulated fishing activities and coastal erosion. A substantial portion of the coastal population are dependent on traditional livelihood like fishing and agriculture. They are at risk of climate change and natural disaster. The theme of the conference, which is linking eco-sensitive coastal planning and Indian knowledge systems, will help address these issues. The government of Andhra Pradesh has a strong commitment towards protection of environment of the coastal stretches and marine areas, as well as the livelihood security of fishermen and local communities living in these regions. The Union Budget 2024 is very supportive in this regard. I believe deliberations from the conference would bring much needed awareness and increase the depth of knowledge for not only experts and officials of the government, but also, most importantly, students who are future policy makers and planners. Once again, I congratulate SPA Vijayawada and ITPI for organizing this conference. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.